Hi, my name is Paul.Schifferdecker with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. My phone number is 573-525-1129 or MarineMax.com 24 hours a day. Today I'd like to welcome you aboard Sea Ray 350 Sundancer, the largest sport yacht in the line, sport cruiser rather. Its length overall with the extended swim platform is 37.5 feet with a beam of 11 feet 4 inches. It's a beautiful, beautiful cruiser for Lake of the Ozarks or any body of water. It's a perfect day boat. A beautiful salon which we'll see below deck with air conditioning, optional air conditioning in the cockpit. It's also a great overnight boat, so it's the best of all worlds. Here for entertaining, we have a grill / griddle available with a sink on this spacious swim platform, almost like a back deck or a back patio. Solid surface Corian countertop. Closes conveniently. Also can serve as a serving counter. We've got a nice acrylic and stainless steel transom gate, which is very nice for backing down, being able to see and still have the protection. Transom gate being closed. On board we have a massive amount of seating in the cockpit for entertaining, including the double helm seat turns around for more entertaining seating. We've got a teak table in place as a settee. Over here we've got a nice refrigerator, an area here for condiments or serving shrimp on ice or whatever you would like, bottle storage, and a nice wastebasket disposal area, along with TV, which would come in handy this weekend for watching the Masters if you're interested, or any of your other favorite sporting events. We've got a nice, wide, huge open sunroof, which opens and closes with the touch of one finger in case weather sets in. So we've got the option of being closed in with our isinglass, which we're expecting some weather a little later is why that's in, or we can open it up for full airflow in our face anytime we want. Going below deck, we're going to go down into this luxurious, well-appointed salon with 4 steps coming down through the companionway with non-skid rubber inserts. It's luxurious yet practical. We've got a great love seat over here with main distribution panel behind, as well as ignition keys out of sight, safe from everyone. Another 32-inch screen television on the bulkhead here. We've got a nice bed for the for the master stateroom on an angle, which makes it easier to get in and out of the bed. We've got a privacy curtain that comes across. We've got another gorgeous settee, teak table here. Beautiful stand-up head with separate shower, which is very, very nice, very important, as well as a nice glass vessel. Teak shower boards. Excellent galley over here, everything you need. Refrigerator, 2-burner stove, nice integral stainless steel sink, microwave, all the comforts of home, air conditioning, great when it's really hot, or again if you want to do an overnight, or you want to nap the children or grandchildren in our case. It's just a perfect size and a perfect boat for all. Coming back up into the cockpit, I just want to touch on this handsome helm Here we have the Sinrad chart plotter, stereo. We've got a couple of cup holders here, which really work out well for your cell phone and keys and so forth. We've got vessel view in the analog gauges here. The analog gauges are awesome. We've got DTS, digital throttle here, which works like butter. We've got push button start and stop. We've got all your rocker switches, toggle switches across here for easy visibility, easy operation. I like the way the red button on the horn stands out for safety. Here we've got a place for our feet, and we've got the thigh-high bolster for each, the captain, the driver of the boat, and its passenger, so you've got the option of standing up or sitting down. And then another feature, certainly not the least of which, is the joystick control. This takes any anxiety out of going anywhere you want and docking anywhere you want out of the picture. It makes it easy for all ages, young, old alike. You can also opt for an optional thruster, which with a little practice can sometimes be all you need. On the port side, we have this awesome seating to where I'm able to sit and face the captain or recline facing aft as well as forward, so very multi-functional. Another feature, we got the door stop on there, which is important. Keeps the door from sliding back and forth, but easy steps, the walk-through windshield to get to the foredeck, which has sun pads. It has the stereo speakers, so it's just a fun all-round boat. Again, you can't go wrong. MarineMax, leg of the Ozarks. Again, my name is Paul.Schifferdecker, 573-365-5382. We'll see you on the water. Thanks for joining us today. Have a good day.